Hey, what's going on, y'all? So I'm here today at Ocean City High School. Just got mic'd up, getting ready to present and do 2 assemblies for the entire student body to bring a message about building resilience in adverse circumstances. So I'm super blessed, humble for this opportunity, grateful that it's local as well, man, because my mother actually lives in Ocean City. So this is pretty dope. So I'm gonna bring the energy and bring a powerful and inspiring message and really help these students to take it to the next level and become resilient. Get out of the window and get into the mirror. And what I mean by that is this. So many of you are looking out of the window of life. You're looking at what everybody else got going on, what everybody else is doing. You're on TikTok, you're on Instagram, you're comparing yourself to everybody else, and for some reason you think your life is trash. Or you feel like you're better than somebody because you're constantly comparing, when reality is you just need to be in the mirror with yourself. That's the person you need to be working on. That's the person you need to stop running from.